Welcome back to my channel. Today I have Xbox control. It does not power on, and if you connect power, it have no response. It does not accept charge. So battery is 0 volt. It's 0.5. So batteries are 0. Let's open it. Take a screwdriver and just only enter from this point, from this control button. Carefully and very slowly lift it up and help with your finger, and don't apply too much force. You can also use tweezer. So this handle is open. We have screw here and here on this side as well. And one screw is here under this cover. Now we remove this cover and remove this screw. Just only lift this cover up. Now lift it up very carefully like this. It is now open. We opened this and there is a burning. It is burn out from this point. We have this smoked burnout components and PCB is damaged, and we will see what we can do now. Now we will remove these vibrators. So it have marking on the board, positive and negative. So red lead is positive and black lead is negative. From both sides we removed these vibrators. Its connections are here and its connections are here. Now we have to remove these switch connections. So black lead is inside. So here black lead is inside. Remove this screw from PCB and this screw here. Carefully lift it up. Now remove these screws from this board. Have this positive line here. Here is a reverse polarity protection diode. Reverse polarity protection diode, it is connected to positive. Cathode side is connected to positive and the other side is connected to ground. So this positive line will come here. Here is a capacitor D14 and C3, and then here there is a fuse resistor. This line must be connected to this line, this positive line. So here is a fuse resistor which is burn out. Set multimeter to DC. Connect one lead to chassis and one point to this diode, this end. It is 5.4 volt, and this 5.4 volt must be available here. It is not coming at this track. Our this resistor was burned out from this point to this point, so I installed a jumper from this point to the diode at the same line. This track, it is jumper. Now our voltage are present at this diode and our voltage are present at this point. At pin number 2, here are voltage at the connector. Ground and the lower number 2 pin, it have voltage. Pin number 2, we have voltage. Now we are going to pack it X, Y, A, B. Here is X button, and if you don't know where is the location of every button have its special cut. Go to the location of the button, align to the cut, place it in the guide, so it will placed automatically to its desired position. We can see one collar is small, the second guide is big. And the same as here, big cut, small cut. Now place the carbon sheet, so it is placed here. Now very carefully connect this USB port by entering in its place here. Place it like this. All the buttons are pressing right. Now we have to fix these small screws. Here we have two types of screws. Now these short screws will connect it to PCBs. So now we connected all screws. Our board is good now. We connected 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws. Now place this socket here and carefully by aligning this connector to this connector, we have to connect this board here. Like this way. Audio socket will take its place and this connector will be connected to this point, and we will connect this this coaxial connector here on this board. Now we connected this coaxial connector. Now we have to install this small screw here to fix this board. Now place this vibrator here and this vibrator here. Now we have connections. This inner side is negative and outer side is positive. This is negative, this one is positive, and this one is negative, and this point is positive. So to the inner point we will connect this negative and this point here at positive. Black wire at negative terminal, gray wire at positive terminal. Now install the knobs. After that, connect it to its housing. Place these wires here, make them secure, aligning from this point, and by aligning these now I am going to install batteries. To install batteries, this end is negative and this end is positive, so battery negative end must be installed here, positive end here, and we will connect charger. So it started charging because the batteries are totally zero. So first we have to install the screw. Now tighten the screws in the handles, both sides, in the grip. These battery cells are zero because it was not charged from a long time. It is 0.18 volt, and the second 0.5 volt. So both battery cells are down, negative to this side, positive to this side. Now we have to connect so it is accepting charge. Tight like this, press it both sides. Now we have charged for a small time. Now it is charged. It will take more time to make a powerful charging for batteries. Friends, I hope so this video is informative for you. If it is informative for you, please hit the like button, and if you want to watch my future videos, you can press the icon button if you want. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.